I think these weekends are a great kind of experiment to see, what can be done in a weekend. Can we springboard, new business in Baltimore? Can we springboard new people to meet and connect and create new products here? I think it's incredibly important that we remember that teachers and the educators and the students are who are going to be using these products. So we wanted to make that a core focus of this event this weekend. One of those things that blows my mind is scheduling parent-teacher conferences. And she says, this should be on the computer. This should be something that a computer can fix, Google Calendar it, just iFix this for me right now. So we came up with an idea called Parent Connect. And so if you'll notice there's a telephone right there. We think the telephone is the best way to connect the classroom and the parents. Try this again.
Parent Connect. Please enter your 5-digit parent PIN. To select 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., press 1. To select 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., press 2. Please wait. We are creating a calendar event for the teacher. Your conference has been scheduled on May 13th of 10 a.m. to 11 a.m.
Okay. There it is. So there it is. So what
Having been in the classroom for a few years and having tossed this question around with my colleagues, we all keep coming back to the same thing. You become a great teacher by seeing and watching great teaching over and over again. The only problem with that is that it's hard for us to go watch great teachers because we're busy teaching. So Baltimore City recently unveiled a brand new rubric that has 9 observable teacher actions that comprises our evaluation and our formal observation. This all sounds wonderful. The only problem is that if I ask my teacher what exactly it means to provide positive reinforcement, no one can really show me an awesome example of that. So we have developed Pedante.
Here's the 3 different audiences. One, teachers like Jessica who want to, say, post a lesson and identify certain rubrics that were demonstrated in the video at certain points in the actual video itself. It's also catered to other teachers who want to go in and see good examples of other teachers performing those rubrics on hand, and you can also search for lessons. So, but once you hit the 35-second mark, it indicates to the end user that this is the rubric that you're demonstrating at any particular moment. And as I watch it as a principal, I can leave comments and replies to indicate and rate her performance.
At the moment, I think a lot of the workflow kind of is I find a website or a resource I want to share with students. I maybe download an image, I download some text, put it into a PowerPoint presentation, save the PowerPoint presentation. You're slowly building up this single document that's on your hard drive to eventually share with your students. And it takes a long time. And so what Pluck does is it allows you basically to refine what is on the website, kind of narrow down what you'll be looking at, what resources or what actually images, text, anything is really visible on the page. So the idea is that a teacher would go to any website, click a bookmarklet available, kind of in the browser toolbar. So once I've selected these couple items, I'm gonna say pluck it, and so basically what it did is it extracted these items, plucked them out of the page, and kind of is presenting them back in a nice way.
The goal is to get the students, there where you want them to go and not where they want to go necessarily, or where they get distracted along the way. So this is all about taking the iPad and curating an environment for them to web browse. The teacher is able to select websites and just copy paste the URL into the address bar. And as they do that, they get a little view of that website. They can hit opens up the app. They see in the lower left-hand corner a little button that then lists out those websites that the teacher entered into their login. And those are the only websites that app accesses.